Hi, I'm following along with Paul McWhorter's Fusion 360 3D printing lessons. And in lesson 27, he wants us to practice with Revolve tool to create a flower pot similar to what he has there. Um, and he also wants us to make it with parameters so we can make it different sizes. So I'll go ahead and get to the Fusion 360 and show you how I would take this. So let me move myself out of the way here. All right, so we're going to start our sketch. So normally most sketches start on the bottom, but we're going to, because we're doing a profile of it, I'm going to start on the side. I'm going to just take the line tool and just start creating a basic profile of our flower pots. We'll just start here. Create the lip on it. And that should be about it. And you can see it already added a lot of our constraints to it. Some looks like we got some constraints on there. We'll see if we need to add any a little later. But at this point, we can go ahead and set up our parameter table for this. And like I said, so we'll go ahead and get our parameters up. So we're going to add a parameter. So the first parameter, almost all the terracotta pots I've seen have a hole in the bottom of them. That's why I started it offset here. So we're going to make that. So we'll call, and that's the radius. So we're going to call it hole radius. And we'll make, I'm in inches, so I'm going to make that 0.375. That'll give us a 7.75 inch diameter hole in it. Okay. And we're going to need the bottom width, so we can do the bottom radius. So we'll add that. And we'll maybe make that, oh, I don't know, 4 inches maybe. Oh, this is radius, so let's make it 2 inches radius. That'll make it a 4-inch bottom pot. So, okay. We also need to have the thickness, wall thickness. So I'm going to call it wall. So we'll add wall. And I'm going to call this 0.3 of an inch, 0.3. Actually, let's go thin. Let's go 1/4 inch, 0.25. Okay, that's our wall thickness, and we'll get that and that. We also need the angle here. It's 90 plus, so maybe 100 degrees. So we'll start off with 100. So we'll just call it angle. And we'll call it, and it's not in inches, so we got to say no units. I don't think we got degrees as an option, do we? Oh yeah, we do angle and degrees. Okay. We got degrees, and then we'll say 100. Okay. And let's see. We need a few more. So, oh, we don't have a height of it yet, so we'll need to do a height. We'll call it just height. And we'll make it 6 inches tall. Okay. That's our height. And then we have this lip thing here that we want to have. So I think I'm going to make this 1 dimension and then this be a fraction of it, maybe 1/4 of it, but I can do that in there. So we'll just do this lip. So we'll call it lip. Okay. And we'll start off with a 1-inch lip. Okay. And that might be, we'll see if we have to add any more when we do it. So let's start off. So you can really get out of whack by doing some of this stuff. So I think the first thing I want to do is I'm going to we have what they call the constraint of fix. And I want to fix this bottom to this bottom here. So I'm just going to say fix that in place. So that's going to be good for that. So now we're going to go to dimensions. So we're going to go dimensions. So the wall would be here to here. So let's put that. And that's going to be wall. Hit enter. Wall is also here to here. We want to make sure that it doesn't go 90 degrees. We want it on the angle like that. So we're going to say wall. All right, so that's got that going on. All right. I think I'm going to do these up here first. I'm going to get these up here. So this dimension here is going to be lip. All right. I said this was going to be lip divided by 4. So like P divided by 4. Let's see if that works. There we go. All right. Let's see what else we need. Let's do our overall height, I guess. So we can go from here to here would be our height. And that's just H E height. All right, let's scroll out some. All right. All right, so what now? We have to get this bottom thing, so we can scroll in a little bit on this bottom. Oh, let's put our angle in. So it looks like that they got the parallels on these, so we should only have to put one angle in. So we can go from here to here. And we just want angle. All right, we got our angle going on there. Still got lots of blue going on, but we'll see if we can fix that kind of quick here. So, like I said, we got our whole radius here. So let's scroll in, go from here to here. And that's whole radius. And we got our bottom width. Let's see if we can break it doing this. Called it bottom, didn't we? Bottom radius, that's right. Lots of black coming on. Looks like it's all defined, huh? All right. Looks like we're good. We should be able to just finish our sketch. See, this bottom one is green because we use that fix, so it's affixed to the bottom of the thing. So everything else is black. So let's see if that works. And then we just want to revolve. We want to revolve this. It's already selected, and we want to revolve it around here. And that's our pot. And we'll call it new body. We can say okay. A hole in the bottom, got our pot, got our lip. Let's go see what we can modify on this. Change our parameters. So let's go height and make it a little shorter. So we'll make it a 3-inch pot, see what happens. There we go. That didn't break it. Let's make it a wide pot. So we want our bottom radius. Remember, this is radius. Let's go to 3 on this as well. That'll give us a 6-inch wide at the bottom. See if that breaks it. Nope, that didn't break it. Let's see if we do our lip, make it 1.5. Kind of doesn't look right, but it's okay. Let's make it much taller pot. So we'll take our height up to back up to 8 inches. Thought I made it 8. There you go. That looks like a bigger pot. So anyhow, that's my parameterized flower pot. I'm not going to turn it the orange color. We all know how to do that. So anyhow, that's my video for today. Thanks, Paul, for all you do. Enjoying the Fusion 360 lessons. They're a great review for me. Thanks. Have a great day.